In a world of constant change and innovation, where demand for performance and reliability is increasingly important, we need behind-the-scenes heroes who go above and beyond to keep the supply chain moving. That's who we are. We deliver parts and provide maintenance and repair services that keep global transportation moving and commercial and federal operations running. We're delivering solutions that free our customers and suppliers to perform better and faster. Each of our 2,000 team members do this with a relentless commitment to providing total value, optimal service, and unwavering excellence. What we do today makes tomorrow possible. We deliver trusted solutions to inspire the performance of tomorrow. We are VSE.